Hey y'all, Edward the Lego Texan here with another speed build for you. Today we're building set 30669, the iconic red plane poly bag from Lego Creator 3-in-1. And today we're building the main model, the actual plane itself, 51 pieces, and this is probably going to use most of them, as the main model does in the 3-in-1. Looks really nice. So, let's get to it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my review of the iconic red plane, the main build from the iconic red plane poly bag. And I like this thing. It's a nice plane. Good use of parts. I like all the colors. We have the trans green stuff on this side, red on that side, trans blue on top, propeller, and the landing gear, which was something I felt that the jet was missing, with some sort of wheels on the bottom. And this, of course, gives it a nice little angle for like parking it on the ground, which is really, really nice. And it's just built well. I like it. It's a cute little airplane. And that brings me to the end of the review. If you've enjoyed this video, please like this video and subscribe for more content. Please consider also following me on my other socials: TikTok, Instagram, Clapper, Blue Sky, and Threads, all of which are linked in the description beneath this video. And that'll do it for today, guys. Keep on building. Bye.